Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making a new crown knot. Let's get into the design. Now for this crown knot we'll need 4 cords. Because I'm using this for a new bag, I've cut 200 cm. Now we get into it. You pick your cord. Out of the 4 you pick the first 2. You make sure they are equal at the edge like I've done here. After that, you are going to make your square knots. So you pick the rope, you make your square knot, you join it this way, you cross it with this. You make your square knot. I have made the square knot here. Then you're going to pick, we have 4 ropes, you leave this aside, you pick this, then the 2 that we have left, you pick it again and join. You make it equal as I have done. Then you join it at this side with another square knot. You pull it to secure, you tighten it at the edge. See what we've done here? We are going to repeat the same thing at this side. As we are using 4 ropes, we are left with 1. So you pick the last one, make sure you have it equal at the edge here. Then we join again with another square knot. So you have it this way, you join it with a square knot. We have used the 4 ropes now. Pull it to secure. See what we've done. This other side too, you pull it. So when you finish, you join it in the middle. Pull it. So we have our design here now. So this is the first step. So what we're actually trying to make is this. What we are trying to make is this. You can see it here. We have it in purple also. This is what I'm trying to introduce. You can see it. So the first part that I've done is what you have here now. So we are moving into the design now. I'm now going to hold this to a board so that I can see what I'm picking and what I'm doing. So here is my pin. I will hold it to a board this way. After holding it to the board, as I have 8 ropes in all, I'm using the first 4 here. You pick the first rope as your lead cord. You are going to roll this over twice. You roll it over twice. Pick the next rope. You're going to make use of 4 in all. The first one is my lead cord. This is the third and the last rope. So we are done with this. You can see what I've done here. What I've done here, I'm going to repeat the same here. I still have the same 4 rope. With this, I'm having 5 now. You pick the first one as your lead cord. The next one you roll over twice. You do the same thing. Roll it over twice. You pick the same thing. You roll it over twice. We have used all the 4 ropes now, 3 here with this one, then this one from here. So the last one. So we are finished with the first stage of this. After that, you go for the next one. You make it your lead cord again. You roll this twice. The next one, you roll it twice. The next one, you roll it twice. So we are done with this. Then we come to this other side. You are going to make use of the 5 ropes here. You start 1, 2, And the last one now. So we are done. You can see it. This is a crown knot that you can use for your bag. So here are some others that we have done. Here we have red, you can see it. Here we have purple. So here we have pink. So by the time you join it, you can use it for a bag. So by the time we start joining, we have something like this. So here is the one that has already been joined. So you can see it. I'm making this in preparation for another bag. So the crown is what I've just explained now. You can use it for your bag, your pouch, for many projects in macrame. It's a very nice one. Thank you so much for your time. See you in our next video.